Here it is, Inspire 1. Inspire 1 V2, the last model of Inspire 1 DJI. Pick it up today. I have not opening. This is first time. Big box is on the floor. This come in a big box, and then it's in this suitcase. Yes. And here it's some iPhone, iPad and it and that. Inspire 1. I use Android. I always use Android, and that's cool. Look at this suitcase. Fantastic. It's not so heavy, so that's good too. Here it's, you can see about this model. It's Inspire 1 V2 European. Date code. Yeah. DJI. So it's the first time I look at Inspire. First time is now. There. Oh, fy fan. Yes, yes, yes. Here it is. And look here. Oh my God. See here. Battery. This is 6 cell. See here, 4500 milliampere, 6 cell battery. Drone I had before had 3 cell battery. So this is cool and fantastic. See here, loader, boxes with the camera, of course. Wow. Here we have propel props. We have 2 party. The remote control. This is cool. There is the camera in this box. Take a look and see. Try to see. Yeah, see here. There's the camera. And here is filter. It's to filter. Although this camera costs a hell of much money. Yeah, I have to take a look. box. There. Yes, it's expensive. This drone in my country here, it costs 4,000 US dollar. 4,000 US dollar is like 32,000 Norwegian krone. Yes, expensive, so that's for sure. This is opening of the box. I will take it out and put it on the table. DJI Inspire 1 coming in this carton here. Come in this. A long travel. It's good that we have this suitcase here for traveling. It's nice. Look at these arms. It's carbon fiber. It's here. That's fantastic. It's not so much more to say. Really. I want this since it come out. And it come out Inspire 1A, B, C and D. And now it's Inspire 1 V2 version 2. Different new motor. The motor here, it's new. And props. It's new. That is new in version 2. Okay, let us take it out and take a better look.